as it's going to be, and certainly we are going to see more in the way of frost, particularly in more northern areas. And the colder weather is going to be brought around by east or northeasterly winds, but with a large area of high pressure dominating, many of us are actually going to see some dry weather. Now we have got some cold winds today under this great arc of Atlantic cloud, which is surrounding a large area of low pressure, bringing some very bitter raw winds across southern Britain. You can tell that from the tightly packed isobars, but also under that cloud we've got some very wet weather indeed. But further north you can see the winds coming in from the east or northeast. We've got a lot of dry weather, a lot of bright weather too for western and southern Scotland and Northern Ireland through the afternoon in the sunshine and out of the wind. 6 or 7 won't feel too bad, but we do have a few showers running through eastern Scotland, northeast England. More cloud than yesterday for the Midlands and East Anglia, but largely dry but cooler than yesterday. And then we really see that bitter raw wind coming in from the east over southern England. Quite wet here, quite grey and grim and misty and murky. Temperatures only getting up to around 6 degrees, and a cloudier day than yesterday for Wales. 1 or 2 spots of rain around, particularly in the southeast there. Some brighter skies for Anglesey and northwest England up in towards Northern Ireland. And here in the light winds and the sunshine, 7 degrees isn't going to feel too bad at all. Now through this evening and tonight, under those clear spells across parts of the north, we will see a touch of frost. 1 or 2 showers continuing in northeast Scotland. Still a little bit sleety with a little bit of snow over highland areas. Further south we'll see a lot of dry weather. The rain pulling back to the south coast there should escape a frost here as we keep a lot of cloud and still a strong wind coming in from the east or northeast. Temperatures no lower than around 2 or 3 degrees. So that area of low pressure bringing the cloud, the strong wind and the rain today starts to pull away to the nearby continent, but you can still see those tightly packed isobars across the south. So very cold winds still here, and the rain gradually pulling away from the southeast as we go through the day tomorrow. Still a lot of cloud admittedly in southern and eastern parts of England and parts of Wales, but a generally dry day here. We'll see the brighter skies as we head further north and out of the strong east or northeast wind. 5 or 6 not feeling too bad at all, but still 1 or 2 little showers pestering the northeastern part of Scotland. Now Monday night through to Tuesday then we start to see that low really pulling away into Central Europe. So we say goodbye to a lot of the cloud and the patchy rain. The highs starting to come in across Northern Ireland and Scotland, but it's still got that cold, bitter east or northeast wind pulling in across the North Sea. So a lot of cloud coming in across the east and the south. Could see 1 or 2 wintry flurries, just a dusting of snow at most over the high ground here, but out to the west we'll see the best of the dry and bright weather with the sunshine and highs of 6 or 7 degrees. On Wednesday our area of high pressure still dominating the scene across Scandinavia, pulling in the winds across the North Sea, really quite strong at times over more southern and eastern areas coming in from the east or northeast. So once again, pulling in a lot of cloud off the North Sea, little bits and pieces of light sleet and snow over the high ground of northern England into parts of Wales, just a dusting of snow at best, the best of the dry and bright weather up towards northwestern areas. And after a frost here, we will see it becoming brighter once again during the day on Thursday with some sunshine and highs of 5 or 6 degrees. But you can see quite cold, cloudy weather further south with little bits of light rain, sleet and snow. But again, it won't amount to much, but we will see a lot of cloudy and dry weather on Friday. It will feel very cold indeed in the east. Bye for now.